If I have to replace the word program with something, then I would say it would be complexity. If you look at the program definition, it says that program is a group of related projects. If you talk to someone, they will say that program is a group of interrelated projects and components. So it means we need to deal with complexity. Unfortunately, when we talk about dependencies, we think about integration interfaces, but we don't use a structured or a framework or methodology for dealing the complexity. There are multiple complex tools or complexity assessment tools that we can use, like you can talk about the diamond model, you can talk about PMI complexity assessment, or you can talk about the Harvey-Miller complexity assessment tool. I like the simplicity of complexity assessment tool by Harvey-Miller. It talks about that we have three types of complexities. One is structural complexity, when we talk about the length of the program, the number of people who are involved in the program, the location where we need to do the program, the cost of the program, right, the duration of the program. So if I am taking care of these side of program, it means I need to focus on coordination, communication, and more about networking to deliver the program. But when I talk about the second parameter of complexity assessment tool, that is socio-political perspective, where we have politics and power in play, and we need to see how we are using the network and influencing to deliver the program. Finally, the third part of complexity assessment tool or perspective of complexity assessment tool is emergent or emergency, where we have technological emergency, or you can say the uncertainty part of the program. We don't know what is going to happen, right? In this perspective, when we have technological aspect and we don't know how technology is going to respond, what is going to be happen, and what would be the result at the end, then we need to resolve the complexity. We need to see how we are going to design our program projects and how we can actually achieve quick wins to see how the complexity is turning around. And more importantly, how we are defining the core dependencies in our program plan so that we can understand and review the overall program delivery in a perspective way. So if you want to understand the complexity of your program, if you want to map the complexity of your corporate startup so that you can achieve the results in a fastest and quickest way, then do join our program management with corporate startup workshop. Thank you.